Let me log into the AEM. Go to Assets, Files. I'll go inside my folder. We will go to the asset report generation now. So we have Tools, Assets, Reports. We have an option to create. I'll tell the report is based on the upload. As you see, there are multiple options like upload, download, expiration, modification, publish, brand portal publish, disk usage, files, link share reports. I'll go with the basic upload option. So based on this date duration, I'll be able to generate the report. Default columns I can select. I can even add custom columns. So I'll go with the basic operations. Report is generated now. We have options to view and download or delete. Let me go and view this. So this report gives an overview of all the recent image uploads based on the date duration selected. These asset reports are very helpful for the asset admins to understand any asset activity. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.